back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is going to be simply responding to emails. So it's a customer service job done completely through email. They don't require any kind of a college degree. This is going to be a full-time position, although it is temporary, but they are paying $144 a day or $18 an hour. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And please let me know if you enjoy job leads like this by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and sharing with all your friends and family if you know somebody who could benefit from this. Today's job lead is from the company Navia Benefit Solutions. They have 76 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an administrative associate. Again, this is a temporary position, but it's going to be focused on their client elections and import process queues. So you're going to act as a subject matter expert for day-to-day activities and helping staff with those miscellaneous projects. So the basis of it is you're going to monitor administrative emails and the Salesforce queue and respond to those cases within 24 hours. You're going to manage the triage hours, responding the same day, pulling and filing receipts to the import inbox, and pulling the election forms into the Laserfiche system. You'll work with internal partners, brokers, and clients to solve any file issues and discrepancies, reaching out about any issues as needed. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just the ability to work independently, great computer skills, especially those Microsoft Excel skills, someone who is highly motivated with great attention to detail and great communication skills. This is a remote position paying $18 an hour, and they are only hiring in select states, and those are listed down here right at the bottom. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this job lead, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.